Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your password in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the bottom of your screen and press on your account section there. After that, you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the settings. And here you can just press on change password, and you can just press on change password once again. And after that, all you need to do is just enter here your new password, confirm the new password by re-entering it, and you can just enter now the old password down below to confirm that this is indeed your account. And after that, you can just press on save new password, and it's going to be changed after that. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.